De Leon. Do not judge me, I'm dyslexic. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl from Bakare. I hope you guys have been well. As you can tell from today's title, I'm clearly in my pink era. I'm picking up things from charity shop, my wardrobe, things that I'm not wearing anymore, and I'm just trying to create my perfect pink wardrobe. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe. And without any further ado, let's get started. So behind me on the clothing rail are some of the things we're going to be working on today. I'll be showing you guys what they look like before, and obviously we'll be showing you the transformation at the end of it. I have some of the pieces that I created before. If you've not seen this video, then you clearly need to subscribe and check out my shorts. Clearly, shameless plug right there. But guys, let's do the before and then we can move on to creating this transformation. So first up is the skirt, this waistcoat, and this pair of Levi jeans, which I will be transforming by dyeing today. If you have something that's a bit oldish or something you kind of want to revamp, dye it. Dye whatever color you want and it will come back to life. These are the Levi's ribcage straight, and I am waist 28, or at least that's what I'm wearing at the moment. And they fit really well around the waist, which is something that I usually don't have with jeans. I just find them really hard to fit well. I quite like the way this fits. However, the end goal is for this to actually become a skirt. I'm going to start by dyeing it for this video, and then in another video I'll probably show you guys the transformation. The dye that I'll be using is De Leon. Do not judge me, I'm dyslexic. I have tried that before for tie and dye, but I'll be trying this one strictly for one color, and I'm really hoping that the color is as rich as this. So the instruction says to pre-wash the clothes in a full cycle, 40 degrees, which is what I'll be doing. And yeah, pre-wash, then bring it out. No, pre-wash, leave it in. We'll see how it goes. We're going to move on to the next item, which is this denim jacket. It's a patchwork denim jacket. I believe I got this from either Shein or Boohoo. Although the tag is not, I don't know who that is, but I do think it was Shein or Boohoo. I've had it for a long time and I really never worn it. And I think one of the reasons I didn't wear it is because of how it fits. So today I'm going to be turning it into a crop jacket with some distressed detail, just to see, just to jazz it up, because I really want to wear things in my wardrobe a lot more, and I feel like it is too good to let go. Guys, this is what the jacket is looking like so far. So cropped, and I've added a love heart detail on the back. I was trying to decide between a love heart or a butterfly, but decided to go with the love heart for now. I wanted to add some trimmings, but I don't have the right trimmings at home, so I'm going to add some loops instead. So if I wanted to have a crisscross detail going on, I don't know if I have enough fabric to create like a utility style extra pockets, because I just want something, just to jazz it up. And I've decided to not add this band on the ends because I want like a fray, distressed kind of look going on. But this is what we're working with so far, and I am absolutely loving it. Guys, this is what it was looking like with the ribbon on the back. I don't like it. It feels quite busy. So I popped out quickly to the fabric shop and I bought a chain. I'm going to be trying it with a chain and see how it looks. I wasn't able to actually find a bronze one. I wanted a bronze chain so that it would go with the detailing on the front, but this is kind of like a rusty gold, so I'm hoping this will work. But you never know until you try. So here goes nothing. This is the last item that we'll be working on today. I got this from the charity shop. I think it was like £3, but it's originally from Divide, so it's originally from H&M, and I believe this is a size 8. I actually got this because I was going to use it for pattern, but it fits so well that I'm keeping it and I'm transforming it into something a bit more exciting. A few ideas I have is to get rid of the strap, or maybe add like a side detail here on this area just to give it a bit of a, you know, a mid-reef exposure situation. And I kind of want to add some sort of split here. I don't know if it should just be just split or add some like crisscross zigzag situation. Guys, if you know me by now, you know I love all of these things that I'm talking about, but I'm definitely getting rid of the straps. The rest of them, still deciding. So far I have gotten rid of the straps, and I've also created some kind of split. Now I'm thinking maybe a two-way split as opposed to one, but I don't still feel it's not giving me any kind of excitement yet. So I decided to search through my fabric collection and found this gorgeous pink organza, and I'm thinking of adding some kind of ruffle details around the hem. But before I do that, I am actually going to shorten this dress. I know what I want it to look like. I know people are gonna be like, oh my god, you always make clothes so indecent, blah blah blah. Listen, this is for me, it's my personal style, so if you don't like it, yeah, moving on if you don't like it. But I am going to be making this a bit shorter so it actually works more with the vibe, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it's looking like. It's my first time working with organza. I decided to do some zigzag stitches around the edges to stop it from fraying. I haven't bothered with the side. I don't mind that the threads are contrasting. I really don't care as long as it's a shade of pink. But yeah, I'm quite happy with this. So let's manipulate the mannequin. Let's manipulate this on the mannequin and see how it turns out. Guys, we are almost at the end. So the last part of this dress is adding the sleeve. I played around with it and this is how I want it to look. All I did was fold the organza into two, cut it into two, obviously for two hands, and I'm just gonna be sewing this part together and gathering the rest with elastic. And I'll be sewing the rest of this, the bottom hems, I'll be sewing that by hand just because I want that gather detail, so I want to be able to spread it evenly across. And that's it, we're almost there. Can't wait to show you guys what this looks like.